In this video, we will explain what is ammonium nitrate that has caused Beirut explosion and how is it regulated here in India. The catastrophic explosion at Beirut port on August 4th that has so far killed at least 100 people and injured around 4,000 with an unknown number of feared trapped under rubble. The government of Lebanon said that the apocalyptic blast was caused by improper storage of over 2,700 tons of ammonium nitrate in the warehouse for over 6 years. Lebanese President Michael Aoun said that the chemicals were kept there without safety measures and precautions, which ripped through the city. The mushroom cloud into the sky was visible from kilometers and captured in dramatic footage. As per reports, the intensity of blast was so high that it threw victims into the sea. President Michael Aoun said the government was determined to investigate and expose what happened as soon as possible, to hold the responsible and the negligent accountable, and to sanction them with most severe punishment. So what is ammonium nitrate which has caused this massive explosion in Beirut? Ammonium nitrate is a common chemical fertilizer and ingredient used as fertilizers. Its biggest use is as a source of nitrogen for fertilizer. It is also commonly used as an explosive for quarrying, mining and construction work. In its pure form, ammonium nitrate NH4NO3 is a white crystalline chemical which is soluble in water. So, when does this become extremely explosive? Pure ammonium nitrate is not an explosive on its own. It is classified as an oxidizer grade 5.1 under the United Nations classification of dangerous goods. It is oxidizer which is safe to use if it is properly stored and if it's not contaminated. But it becomes extremely dangerous if it is contaminated, mixed with fuel or stored unsafely. If a large quantity of ammonium nitrate is exposed to heat and fire, then it can trigger extremely high intensity explosion and blast. Storing this chemical near large fuel tanks and fire in huge quantity without proper safety measures and in poorly ventilated facilities can result in big blasts. In the Beirut, the blast occurred because ammonium nitrate was not stored properly and safely. The ignition of fire from the heat generated due to the oxidation process at large scale in the ammonium nitrate caused blast at Beirut port. So what are rules for ammonium nitrate regulations here in India? In India, the Ammonium Nitrate Rules 2012 under the Explosive Act 1884 define ammonium nitrate as compound with formula NH4NO3 including any mixture or compound having more than 45% ammonium nitrate by weight including emulsions, suspensions, melts or gels. Ammonium nitrate is highly regulated in India because of its possible misuse, as it is used for production of a range of industrial explosives, anesthetic gases, fertilizers, cold packs and other things. The Ammonium Nitrate Rules 2012 regulates its manufacture, conversion, bagging, import, export, transport, possession for sale or any other use of the chemical. It is illegal to store ammonium nitrate in large quantities in populated areas in India. Proper license is required for any activity pertaining to ammonium nitrate. There have been several terror incidents and cases in India where this chemical was used. Terrorists have used many improvised explosive devices IED made from ammonium nitrate and fuel oil ANFO. In the majority of terror attacks in India, like in Pulwama, Varanasi, Malegaon attack, Pune, Delhi, Hyderabad and Mumbai, ammonium nitrate has been used along with initiator explosives like RDX. Some of the world's deadliest attacks and industrial accidents were caused by ammonium nitrate explosions. It has been the focal point of numerous explosions in the past. In 1921, an explosion of ammonium nitrate and sulfate fertilizer at Apow plant in Germany killed 565 people. In 1947, Texas City disaster occurred. Around 2,300 tons of ammonium nitrate exploded in that industrial accident, killing around 500 people in Texas of US and injuring more than 5,000. Again in 2013, ammonium nitrate is stored at a Texas fertilizer plant detonated into an explosion that killed 14 people and injured around 200. In 1995, ammonium nitrate was a component in bomb used in Oklahoma City bomb attack in US that killed around 168 people and left hundreds of others injured. In 2001, Toulouse House chemical factory explosion happened in France where hundreds of tons of ammonium nitrate were stored in the warehouse. This killed 31 people and left more than 8,000 injured. In 2015, massive explosions occurred at a Tianjin factory warehouse storing ammonium nitrate and such chemicals in China, which killed 173 people. The scene from all these blasts were described as apocalyptic and horrific.